This is the 11 p.m. calendar on October 31st, 2025. Orders are given on the first of the month regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders remain in effect today. What that means for you in the courtroom is this: not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders will be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you will be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded, so please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney. Second, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me. Unfortunately, I'm not your legal counsel, so I can't answer legal questions for you. So please save those types of questions for your attorney. Finally, you're going to be hearing about lots of different dates, different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork. That's why it's important to keep your paperwork and save it. Don't lose it. If you end up missing a court date or you don't follow a written court order, you could just end up back here. When I see you in the courtroom and tell you about your release conditions, I'm not going to tell you every single release condition. For a list of all release conditions, again, please check your paperwork. Here's how tonight's going to work.
Henry.
I'm going to call two names. The first time I call is going to come in the courtroom and stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is going to sit on that chair next to the door. Then we're going to keep
What
on
up, kid?
cycling through until
What
the
up,
calendar is
Samantha?
finished. Can I please get Stephen Watney to the podium? Mark Miller to the chair, please.
Did he say Mac Miller? What up, Mark?
Name and date of birth, please.
Stephen Adrian Watney, January 15th, 1989.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for 2 counts of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, 3 counts of possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felonies. I'm not finding probable cause as to 1 count of possession of dangerous drugs, and I'm not finding probable cause as to 1 count of possession of drug paraphernalia, but I am finding probable cause as to the 1 remaining count of possession of dangerous drugs and the 2 remaining counts of possession of drug paraphernalia. For those charges where I have found probable cause, I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 6th, 7, and 10 in the downtown Superior Court. Because it's been alleged that you committed this offense while you're out on release for your pending felony matter, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time. I do need to caution you that even while you're in custody, you may have no contact with your co-defendant. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork.
Next!
Mark Miller to the podium.
Hey, thank you, Henry.
Frederick Rogers to the chair, please.
Let's see some costumes. Hey, that's what I'm hoping for. Did it just start?
Name and date of birth, please.
It's Mark Miller,
That one looks
8672.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs for sale, Class 2 felony, possession of narcotic drugs for sale,
Oh,
Class
that one
2
looks like he's on
felony,
a good one.
possession of a weapon in a drug offense, Class 4 felony, money laundering, Class 4 felony. I
Money
found probable
laundering?
cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 6th and November 10 in the downtown Superior Court,
Is that for
setting
crime?
a cash bond of $250,000. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision with the
Wow.
electronic ankle monitoring.
Hey, thank you for that.
Furthermore, if you bond out, you're to have no contact with any witness, no contact with any possible co-defendants. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs,
That
or
was on
alcohol.
a mean one right
And you
now.
must surrender all passports at your next court date.
Oh,
Ron,
passports.
please step to your left for your paperwork.
One question. I have planned to get my own attorney.
That's fine. So I've assigned you one.
Yeah.
Once you hire your own, you don't have to take the one that I have assigned to you.
Sure. Okay.
Thank you. Frederick Rogers to the podium.
Man,
Sheena
that guy got
Router
some
to the
money for
chair,
his own
please.
Lawyer? Sheen Gators. I didn't even got money for my own babysitter. Hey, what up, Ant?
Name and date of birth, please.
Frederick Lee Rogers, 4/24/89.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for discharging a firearm at a residence, Class 2 felony. 2 counts of aggravated assault, Class 3 felony. Assisting a criminal street gang, Class 3 felony. Possession of a weapon by a
we're all
prohibited
sleeping.
person, Class 4 felony. Unlawful flight from law enforcement, Class
Why is
5
he holding a
felony.
banana?
Unlawful discharge of a firearm in city limits, a Class 6 felony. I found probable cause
What
as to
up,
all
Angel?
charges. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court dates are November 6th and November 10 in the downtown
What up,
Superior
Adam B?
Court, setting a cash bond
What
of
up, Maui?
$100,000. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision with electronic ankle monitoring. Furthermore, if you bond out, you can't go back to the scene of the crime, no contact
What
with
up,
any
Cha-Cha?
victims or witnesses, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, and you must contact your federal probation officer within 3 days.
100,000?
Want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
EA Sports. It's in the
Sheena
game.
Rotter to the podium. Juan
Damn,
Garcia
what's
to
up
the
with that
chair,
fool's leg?
please.
Did his leg go to sleep? Because that's how I wake up when my leg. I mean, that's how my leg is when it falls asleep.
Name and date of birth, please.
Sheena Morgan Router, November 30th, 1984.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's November 6th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's $500 secured appearance on each one, so total $1,000 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or
Kick
alcohol.
you out.
Most important thing, if you bond out,
No
you have to
costumes
contact
yet.
your PO within 3 days.
Okay, thank you.
Please step to your left for your paperwork. Juan Garcia to the podium. Selena Moore to the chair, please.
Ooh, no, man, I'm fighting
Name and date
sleep
of birth,
over here.
please.
Juan Garcia, October 12, 2000.
Thank you. You're here today on an
Excuse-
out-of-county warrant.
Did he say
I'm
Juan?
assigning you an attorney.
Garcia?
Your next court date's November 5th at the Pioneer Justice Court.
Sheen Gator se le
I'm
fue la
affirming the bond set by
canoa.
the judge up there. It's a $256 secured appearance bond.
$256.
If you're able to bond out, you're just not to possess any weapons, drugs, or
wakey.
alcohol. Want to please step to your left for your paperwork. Selena Moore to the podium. Stacy Carter to the chair, please.
Stacy Carter. Let's see who Stacy Carter is. Vamos a mirar ahorita. We're going to see right now. All right, hey, I see there's 69 people in here. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it.
Hello.
We got about
Hi, name and date
2,000
of birth,
taps.
please.
August 30th, 2003.
Name, please.
Selena Moore.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's November 6th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $250 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to
Gee.
possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your probation officer within 3 days. Why don't you step to your left for your paperwork.
Stacy is Tony.
Stacy Carter to the podium. Catherine
yeah.
Osterman to the chair, please.
Why did she only have one shoe on? Did anybody else catch that?
Name and date of birth, please.
Stacy Carter, 6685.
Thank you. You're here today in the Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for 2 counts of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, 3 counts of possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felonies. I found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are November 17 and November 19 in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release, though. You're to have no contact with your co-defendant. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or
Two
alcohol.
different shoes. Okay.
And you must continue to obey the
I
order
was
of protection
about to go like
that's
this
out
to my
against
eyes.
you.
Like, hold on.
Do you understand all these conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you promise to follow all these
That I was
conditions?
drunk.
Yes, Your Honor.
That I was
Do you
seeing
promise to
things.
appear on November 17 and November 19 at the
up,
downtown
Nico?
Superior Court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand if you don't show up, they'll issue a warrant for your arrest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you on your own recognizance. Ma'am, please show up to court on the 17th, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Well, she's a nice fella. She's very polite.
Catherine
we're all here
Osterman to the
tonight.
podium,
I don't know,
please.
shade. Depends how I feel.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Catherine Osterman, 10/12/87.
Thank you. Ma'am, you're here today on a fugitive of justice warrant.
up, Bella?
That's another term for an extradition warrant. I believe the state of Missouri would like you back.
Extradition already?
So
No, this can't
here's
be.
what I have. 1 second.
Normally, when they do the extradition, it's already gonna end already. What? Nobody got
At
picked
this time,
up.
you have a extradition hearing set on November 17th here in the downtown Superior Court.
Yeah,
Ma'am, have you done one of these before?
yes,
Oh, you have?
yeah. Not in Arizona, but I
But-
just did a couple in California.
Gotcha.
And Missouri didn't come get me, so.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right. I got to check one thing here, ma'am. The other thing, it appears as if you have cases going on here in Arizona, correct?
Oh, you mean here in Missouri?
No, here in Maricopa County, you have cases going on?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Wait, what? Missouri wants her back.
It's supposed to be, I spoke with my attorney, but it was supposed to be probation, but
You know what
I'm
they
waiting
say.
to go to court
They don't
again
send their best,
until,
right?
I guess the end of this month or November.
Season vet. You know, when they send theirs, they don't send their best.
All right.
All of a
So at
sudden.
this time, the state of Missouri set a $6,000 cash bond for their extradition warrant. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. So you've been through this process before. California might do it a little bit differently, but I'll just ask you straight up: would you like to waive your hearing, or would you like to have
I'll
your
ask you
hearing?
straight
And
up.
Waive it.
You'd like to waive it?
Yeah.
So here's the one thing that I do warn folks about waiving. So
The defender.
if you waive here in Arizona, if you waive today, then the state of Missouri will have 30 days to come get you.
Right.
That clock doesn't start
I
ticking
can't save
until
her.
you finish up all your
Can't
cases
say
here. though.
Adam.
Right. Then I should be finished in 30 days, so it'll
Okay.
probably, I'm looking at like 60 days.
Okay, and so, yeah, all right, and then that'll save you maybe about 30 days on the,
Possibly, yeah.
possibly.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay,
she's
then
chipper.
and you understand that if you waive your hearing, you'll be held non-bondable then?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second here. Let me,
What did she
print
do?
up new paperwork
Did he
for
say what
you.
kind of warrant it was? He didn't say, right? I don't think he did.
Can you see my court date for the case here in Maricopa?
yeah, let me double check.
Nope. Yep, that's what I figured. Hey, here's. Thank you for that Daily Heart. Just extradition, all right. Anybody?
It looks like they continued it for negotiation purposes to December 1st. Does that sound about right?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And knowing that, do you still want to waive?
Yes.
She's a runner.
All right. So
She's a track star.
I'm gonna have to ask you a few questions here. So when you came into the courtroom, did the officers hand you a big white card?
Yes,
And did you have a chance to read over that big white card?
I did.
And generally speaking, did you understand what was on that big white card?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Do you understand that you have a right to a hearing, which is currently set on November 17th here in Maricopa County? If you had your extradition hearing, do you understand that you had a hearing set on November 17th here
Oh,
in Maricopa County?
yes, yes,
Do you also understand that you have a right to hire your own attorney for this type of extradition hearing?
Diabolical.
yes,
Do you also understand that you have a right for the governors of Arizona and the governors of Missouri to both sign warrants
He's not
to have
showing
you
his face.
extradited out of here after that hearing?
yes,
And is it your desire to give up those three rights or give up or waive those rights in order for your 30 days clock to start ticking after your Maricopa County cases are finished
Yes.
up? That's your intention?
yes.
Okay.
A
Has
lot of
anyone
judges
forced
don't
you,
show their
threatened
face
you, or coerced you
in
into giving
Maricopa.
up these rights that were written on that card?
No,
Have you taken any drugs or alcohol in the past 24 hours that's affecting your decision-making and giving up those rights?
no,
Have you not taken any medication that you're supposed to take that's affecting your decision-making and giving up these rights?
no,
Okay, ma'am. And do you understand that you'll be held non-bondable during the pendency of this time while you give up or waive this hearing?
yes,
Okay. I'm finding that the defendant is knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently waiving her rights to her extradition hearing. She'll be held non-bondable at this time. Typically, the 30-day clock would start from today. I'm putting on the record that the 30-day clock will not start from today. It will start from the conclusion of her case here in Maricopa County. The defendant is aware that that 30-day clock does not start today, and she is knowingly, voluntarily,
Spit it
and
out, Your Honor.
intelligently waived, knowing the rights that she is giving up. So, ma'am, if you want to go ahead and step up here, you have some stuff to sign. For the last two individuals, I'll be visiting in the back of the cell. They pose a risk of harm to themselves or to others. Ashley Starks, date of birth 3/8/91, here on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Next court date's November 6th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by the probation violation judge, $250 secured appearance bond. If she's able to bond out, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, must contact her PO within 3 days. Renee Lopez, date of birth 4/15/1983, here on an out-of-county warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Next court date's November 5th in Navajo County Superior Court. Affirming the $5,000 secured appearance bond if they're able to bond out not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. After visiting with these individuals back at their cell phone to make any changes to these release conditions, I'll come back on the record to make those changes.
All right, guys. Since it was short, then I guess we'll do a few hearings from today's hearing in Connecticut, if you will.